Yes, I shaved my eyebrows and drew them on. And no, it's not a phase I will not get over. Hi. I haven't posted in like 2 months, but it doesn't really matter considering nobody watches my channel but my mom. So, hi mom.
Hey bestie.
I feel like my life is like a movie because weird shit happens. So let's do a makeup tutorial. So I already did my brows. And they look shitty. It's just this thought that I always want to shave my brows off and then I go for it. No, I am not mentally stable. So I'm gonna start off with this color right here. And even though it says for lid, I'm just going to put that in my crease just to see how this works in my crease. Okay, so now I'm back with my shadow, and I forgot to show what palette it is. It's the Nude LA Colors palette. And then, so we're going to the second darkest color, which says crease, and I'm using this brush. And then I'm just gonna put it in my outer V, I think is the word. I don't know. I really don't know words of makeup. So it's getting somewhere. Now I'm going back in with the palette again, of course. And then I'm going to be using these two black colors. And I'm kind of scared to use this one because it's metallic. But you can't really see that it's metallic on my, but when I swatch it, it doesn't really look all that metallic, but it does in the pan, so I really don't know. And then, yeah, I'm just going to put this like in the outer V as well. Just trying to blend it in with the other color that we put on there. And after that, I'm going to blend it all with a fluffy brush, so it looks like I'm doing something. And I kind of made an eyeliner wing with it too. So it looks like more smokied out. Now I'm going with the LA Colors 16 color eyeshadow palette, which is a long name for eyeshadow palette. And I'm going in with basically this green right here. And then this kind of gold shimmer. And I'm basically gonna put that on my lid. If I can get this open, because I can never get it open. Although that blue is really stunning, but I'm not gonna use it just yet. Hopefully I don't mess it up because there's some concealer, dried concealer on there. That's pigmented. Damn. For dollar store makeup, this is pigmented. Okay, let's try that gold shade next. Okay, that makes it more pretty because it makes the green kind of sparkle a little bit more. Okay, I see you. I'm using their LA Colors graphic liner. I don't know why I say LA Colors because it's literally a full face of LA Colors. Take a shot every time I say that. Okay, so I'm basically going to make a wing. Very scared on how that turned out. Oh my god, that's ugly. Oh my god, I am looking terrible today. My teeth is yellow. My eyebrows aren't working out. My fault for shaving them off. And then I have acne. Okay, I'm gonna do my next eye. And then we're gonna do the face. Okay, so I added lashes. I added some primer. And I also put on some sweatpants because it is too cold. So my Barbiecore era is officially gone now, so that sucks. Anywho, let's start on the face. I already moisturized and primed. Surprisingly, even though it doesn't look like I take care of my skin. Yeah. Let's go ahead and start on some foundation. So I got their Truly Matte foundation, and this one is in James Charles Ghost.
Hi, sisters!
Because how white this is. So I'm only gonna use one pump. Okay. Using my nasty ass mirror because I don't have a vanity. Poor girl problem. Look at that. Like I was saying, poor girl problems. What is this?
What is that?
Okay, so this concealer sucks because I tried to use it as eye primer at the beginning of this. And this is hard as a rock. Oh, I accidentally got concealer there. Anywho, it's supposed to show how hard that is. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. And it looks too dark. So I'm either James Charles White or I'm dark, which is not my skin color. How do people wear this as like actual concealer? Because this hurts putting on.
A few moments later.
So I've been trying to blend it. You can't really see it on camera, but there's a lot of darkness on me now, which is my fault for picking this concealer, but also it said it was like a pretty pale color and it certainly isn't, so don't cancel me. Okay, I'm just trying to do a makeup challenge. Okay, so this is the I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. Now, I had this when I was in middle school and high school, and I used to use those two shades, especially that one, and I would use it as bronzer, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm going back to my roots and doing this. Use both of these, and I'm using a big brush, which is something I never did. Okay, so if you can see, I put it up here, and then up here, and then here. So now I'm gonna take my sponge and kind of just like try to blend it out, because if we don't blend it out, then we're gonna look like we're from 2000s, by the trashy 2000s aesthetic, which is kind of iconic. Hey, we are almost done. So I baked, and I also tried doing a nose contour. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off because I had this on for a little bit. I'm using the Rouge blush, and it's in the color Chill. Looks all nice. No pigment, but it's okay. We just gotta dig in there. I just got rid of my eyebrow. Next is the Strobing highlighter, and I was talking about how I thought it was weird on how it comes with the powder puff, but it's literally a highlighter.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Yeah, let's not do that. So I lined my lips. I had and put on some lipstick. Ooh, that's a good match. And this is the completed makeup look. I'm really not feeling it. But it is what it is. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you love it, if you hate it. Would you wear it? And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and subscribe. Bye.